Something about your love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth.
So as you guys seen from the title, today's video is in collaboration with BeautyForever Hair Company. Shout out to them for sending me over a new wig. So when you receive your wig, it does come in this little bag. And y'all, I really do love this bag from BeautyForever. Every time I work with them, I always keep my wig stored in here once I'm done with it. So these little bags really do come in handy. And then it also comes in this silk bag. So you can either keep it in the silk bag or you can keep it in this bag. So you have options. That's really cool. But let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig, guys. They sent me over a 7x6 by knots wig. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. This is what the wig looks like right out of the box. It is a Yaki straight texture, and they sent it to me in the length 24 inches. This is what the texture looks like up close. It's not that silky straight texture. It's very much giving a more natural hair texture. So I've really been feeling the more yucky or kinky hair textures lately, y'all. I don't know, it's just something with it that just makes it look a little bit more natural to me. Again, the lace is 7x6, meaning 7 inches across the front and 6 inches to the back. This is what the inside construction of the wig looks like. It does come with a drawstring elastic band in the back, so meaning it will fit any head size, nice and snug, nice and glueless. You will not have to use any glue for this install. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my cap so that you can't see my cap through the wig, and then we're gonna go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box.
I know that your love surpasses all things. I know, yeah. I know, yeah. What do you want me to show you that I'm all in, I'll do for you. Want you.
So guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. It's very much giving bust down middle part. Again, I love this Yaki texture. It feels so soft, but it's not super silky. It's giving more natural. This is what the lace looks like on my head right out of the box. It is a little bit light for my skin complexion right around the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same brush that I used to add the makeup onto my cap, and I'm just going to dab the lace a little bit with that.
I'm to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah.
And as you can see, that looks so much better. Guys, this is the wig right out of the box. I didn't do anything to it yet. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see just how long it is. Again, this wig is in 24 inches and it's coming down to my waist. So that is a really good 24 inches, y'all. The 24 inches is definitely true to its length. The hair feels super full. I believe this wig is 180% density. Please don't quote me, guys. I will make sure to add all the details down below in my description box so you guys can know all the details to this wig. But it's nice and full, just the way we like it. So I do notice that there's a little bit of room, not too much, under the lace. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take that drawstring elastic band in the back. We're gonna pull it as tight as we can and then just push that button up to tighten our wig. And now, look at that. It's not going anywhere. So these drawstring elastic band wigs are game changers. Like, it's taking glueless wigs to the next level, and I absolutely love it. Another thing, guys, this is a closure wig, so there is no lace around my ear area, but the curvature of the wig, the way they built it, the way they created this wig fits perfectly around your ears, but there's no lace there. So y'all, I absolutely love that feature as well. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. If you want to wear this wig right out of the box, it is completely glueless. Looks really, really good just like this. But what I'm gonna do, guys, is I am gonna take my hot comb and flatten the top just a little bit more. And then I want to see just how well this hair curls. I want to do something really loose, really natural, really cute, really effortless. So I guess I'll come back at the end and talk to you guys once I'm done the final look.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the...
Alright guys, so at this point, I'm kind of like, do I want to keep it straight? Do I even want to add curls? It looks so, so pretty in its natural state. Again, 24 inches, and it's really long, guys. Really, really long. Hair is super, super full. It's giving what the girls like. It's giving what the girls like, definitely. So depending on how my curls come out, I may straighten this wig later on. But I do want to show you guys how this hair curls. So I'm going to be using my Conair curling iron along with my silver duck clips, and I'm going to be doing some really, really big curls. I'm not going to take small sections. I want something very, very effortless.
All day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Oh, let's put some more away and live right now. So let's not waste another day. From 2 to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same like a top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I added a few curls. Like I said, I wanted that effortless, like I didn't put too much energy into my hair type of look, but still looks super, super cute. And y'all, I love this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love this. Like, it looks so cute. I love, love, love the Yaki straight texture. Of course, if you purchase this hair, you can curl the hair tighter if you feel like it. But this is just the look that I wanted to give with this. And I think it looks really, really cute. So let me know down below if you like the way this hair turned out. Again, guys, this wig is completely glueless. This is a 24-inch Yaki straight unit from BeautyForever Hair Company. All the details will be down below in my description box. Again, shout out to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Smooches.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me?